Hello everyone, today we are back with another brand new video, and in this video I will be talking about the stereo we installed in this particular car. This is a Dodge Chrysler. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's a Dodge Chrysler. So this is the stereo we installed. It as some of you already know, all of our stereos are fully Android, so this is the Android stereo we installed. This car came with the original stereo as well, with the same size but obviously not the same features, so we replaced it with our stereo, and I will be talking about some of its specifications and why this stereo is way better than the original stereo. Not for not for just this car, but other cars as well. Like if you replace your Mercedes stereo, BMW stereo, our stereos are way better than the original ones. So in this video I'll be talking about some of its very basic features and specifications, but before I talk about that, I'm gonna tell you that all of our stereos, not only this one but all of our stereos, they are plug and play. So what that means is if you buy the stereo from us, you will come with all the cables, all the connectors, and all the necessary things needed in order to make it run, in order to run this stereo on your car. So this is pretty much plug and play. You don't need to buy anything externally, so this is a plus point as well. And also, if you install this stereo, our stereo, on your car, you don't need to worry about other buttons here or your steering wheel buttons. Everything in your car, it is going to work as normal as it worked before. So this is something that we offer as well. All other functions in your car are gonna work perfectly as before, but you're gonna even have more features here. So let's see what we have. First of all, this stereo in this Dodge Chrysler, it comes with a built-in radio. If I click it.
Med TV Silverflex väljer du dina favoritkanaler för bara 199 kronor i månaden. Just nu ingår Kom Hem Play. Beställ på 9222.
So you can listen to the radio here as well. It also have a built-in Bluetooth. This Bluetooth has two features. One of them is to listen to the songs via your cell phone. Once you're connected, whether you have an iPhone or Android, you can connect any of your phones, and once you're connected, you can listen to the songs. The second feature this Bluetooth have is once you're connected via Bluetooth to this stereo, all your mobile cell phone contacts are gonna be synced here, so you can call somebody from here, or basically hang up calls, listen to calls. You can use your steering wheel's controls as well. They work as normal. So this is the Bluetooth we had with two features. Also, we have the built-in navigation for all of our stereos. The software we use, or the application we use, is the iGo navigation. And why we prefer iGo is it's completely offline. The iGo navigation is completely offline. You don't really need internet in order to use the GPS. It's because this application iGo, it uses satellite in order to get signals, so you don't really need to connect your stereo to the internet to navigate. So this is pretty much offline, but obviously if you don't want to use this navigation, the built-in navigation, if you don't like this one, then you also have the Play Store here. As I already said, this is an Android, so you have all the Android functions in this one. So you can also download maybe Google Maps, or we maybe already have Google Maps here. If we have, I can show you there, Google Maps. So you can download any application you want for your likings. And then we have a built-in video player. This video player, it is used for the internal, to play the internal videos. What I mean by that is, if you have a memory card or a USB that you have all the videos, all the songs on it, for all of our stereos, we install an external USB port as well. So for some cars we install it here, for some cars we install it on this side. For this car we have it in here. So you basically plug in the memory card or the USB, and then you can open the video player in order to music player in order to listen or watch videos. So this is what they offer. But obviously, if you don't want to do that, then you have more options like YouTube. You can download Netflix, you can download Spotify, you can download whatever you want, HBO, anything you want in order to listen and watch your favorite shows, movies, whatever. And then we have here we have settings, but we're not gonna do that. Here's some of the basic apps, applications. Some of them are built in. With these stereos you can install a back camera as well, but this car the customer didn't wanted the back camera, so we don't have it. But you can also install a back camera to the stereo, and how the back camera works is you just put your car in the reverse gear, and then on your screen the back camera screen will play. Right now there is nothing, no picture, because there is no back camera, but for you. And then once you put it in the parking or driving mode, you can use the normal stereo again. You can also install a front camera to the stereo, or you can call it a dashboard camera, where you can it's a HDR camera that records your front from your front view, and it stores all the videos on your stereo, so you can do that as well. And if you talk about some of its specifications, this stereo specification, this stereo comes in 32 gigabytes of memory, also 64 gigabytes of memory. It also comes with a 4 gigabyte of RAM, and the latest Android version in the stereos, which is 9.0. In the future we're gonna have the Android 10.0 as well, but this one is the Android 9.0. So this is a pretty fast and pretty you can say worth buying. So this is the stereo we had installed. Also it has some of the buttons here. They work as normal. I mean, if you want to go to like there's a DVD one, there's a volume, there is a navigation. If I just press navigation, it will open the navigation. This is for the phone call, I believe. Yeah, so on. So there is a CD and DVD player as well. You can also insert a CD as well. So this is the stereo we have. I mean, this is a Dodge Chrysler, but we have these stereos not with the same shape obviously, but we have these stereos for almost every car. You can check it out, check your car out on our website. I will also leave the links in the description below to this product and to our website. You can check it out, and if you have more questions, if you want to ask the questions, please don't hesitate. You can ask it in the comment section, or you can mail us, or WhatsApp us. You can do whatever you want. So thanks for today. See you in the next video.